So now we're going to go through my possible pouch and what all I put in there. First I'll start with like the alcohol wipes and Tylenol and stuff like that. And then moleskin in case you get blisters or anything on your feet. And then a bunch of random size bandages in case you get cut doing whatever, cutting up deer or pulling on rocks. And then I'll put an extra flashlight that doesn't get used unless something happens. And extra batteries for everything that I have that takes batteries, so I'll put if you need AAAs or AA's. A lot of guys I know will just buy everything that runs on AA's, but I haven't done that yet. And then I'll put a space blanket, an emergency blanket in there. And a small roll of like the athletic type tape. And some safety pins always come in handy. Roll of gauze, toothbrush and toothpaste, and then some small tweezers is always handy. And then my fire starting kit, AJ actually made me this stuff. It's just a bunch of cedar and some paper. You put in a little pill bottle, keep it dry, and some waterproof matches. And I'll put that in actually another Ziploc, just so it make sure it keeps dry. And then another fire starter that I've been using too is these little Weber fire starter things I get from Lowe's. It's like $3.99 for this whole box of 24 of them. It's pretty cheap. I know like you can go to REI and buy these type of things, but they're a little more expensive. But if you just go to Lowe's, super cheap and they work really well.
Hey guys, if you like that video, you like what we're about, please make sure to go and subscribe to our channel. Like the videos, dislike whatever you felt, but if you dislike it, please leave a comment giving us advice on how we can improve. And we're all about learning, growing, and sharing that information with others. So if you have any special requests or things you want to learn about, please shoot us a message on Facebook, on Instagram, personal message on YouTube, or email us at unboundedpursuit@gmail.com. And we'll do our best to gather the information for you and try to interpret it the best that we can and get it back to you to help you learn. Thanks.